Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we studied about the first problem regarding the count number of digits. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the sum of the digits of a number. Okay, and just we will see the intuition first, then we go for the problem next. Okay, and what is the first thing we are going to do here? And first thing is that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what is the sum of it? Right, 5, 5, it should be 10. If you take 1, 2, 3, it should be like 6. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that will leave the sum as 10, and 1 plus 2 plus 3, which will give the sum as 6. Okay, this is our code. And as the first problem, we discussed about the 3 lines of code, which is very important, taking up every digit, and we have been counting and removing the digit. Okay, same with that too. Okay, and what is the code? First we will write the code for that. While, okay, the number must be greater than 0. What the number the user entered, it must be 0, and we have to set like a variable like int of sum is equals to 0. Okay, we are setting that sum must be 0 at initial case. Okay, and what is the thing we have to do? We have to take the remaining digits. Every time we need to take up one by one digit. Okay, let's take our user entered 1, 2, 3. We need to take up 3, right? Let's num modulo by 10. Okay, and next we need to add to the sum variable. Sum is equals to sum plus remainder. Okay, then every time we need to remove the last digit. Okay, and that is n is equals to n by 10, and then we need to come out of the loop, and after that we need to print the sum. Okay, and this is the code. Okay, I will explain by drawing the box. Okay, initial case sum is equals to 0. Okay, what is the next case? Remaining digits code. And what is the next? And we are updating the sum plus equals to remainder. And what is the last thing we are going to do? Like we are removing the number num modulo by 10. Okay, and this is our code, right? Yeah, initially sum is equals to 0, and what we are doing, 1, 2, 3 modulo by 10. Okay, if you take 1, 2, 3 by 10, it will read by 120 times and it will give 120. And what is the remainder you are going to get? You are going to get the remainder as 3, right? Yes. And what is the condition for here? Sum is equals to sum plus remainder. Initially sum is 0 and we got the remainder is 3. And what is the sum? It's a sum is 3. So 123 by 10, what we are going to get here? We are going to get 1, like it should be 12, right? Yeah, sorry, 123 by 10, you are going to get 12, right? That means last digit is removed. Here what is the sum updated? Here we have been updated to 3. Then what is the final number? It's updated, it's 12, and 12 modulo by 10, you are going to get 2. And what is previous sum is 3, and what is the now new sum is 2. Last digit which is we taken is 2, and total sum is 5. Okay, and what is the thing? 12 by 10. Okay, what is the, it leaves the 2, and what is the final number is 1, and the sum is updated to 5. And what is the updated number we have? 1. 1 modulo by 10, it will gives 1 as a result, and 1 already we have 5, and now the remainder is 1, or remaining number is 1. Total we get 6, and 1 by 10, which is 0.1, that will be concluded as 0, whereas while loop condition fails here. Num must be greater than 0. What is the latest updated num? It's 0, right? What is the latest sum we got here? 6 from here. Okay, and this is our intuition. Let's write the code for this. Let's open the Eclipse. Already I have imported the scanner class, ask the user to enter the number, and I have to store that number. What is the first? Int of sum is equals to 0. Take the variable while number must be greater than 0. It's a case, right? Then int of remainder or the remaining numbers where num modulo by 10, that will take every number and that will add to the sum, that is sum is equals to sum plus remainder, and after that num is equals to num by 10. That means we are removing the one digit, last digit, and then at final we are going to print the sum. Okay, if you run the code, it will ask the digit. Like if you enter 1 2 3, it will use the sum as 6, and if you enter 1 2 3 4, it will give like 10. If you enter 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will give like 10 15 18 19 21, right? Yeah. Okay, that's about today video. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.